Hi, my name's Sam Langridge. I'm the product manager for Montana. I'm super excited because today I want to tell you a few of the special things about our front living room 3760 and 3761 floor plan. These things will highlight some of the things we have that are way better than what the competition does. And one of them to start with is our sofas. Every sofa looks the same, not true. In ours, our sofas actually measure a full 74 inches from wall to wall. Now you won't find that in the competition. You not only get one of those, but you get two of them. So I'll quickly show you how they get made into beds. Another great feature of our front living room floor plan is our super functional dinette. I'm going to show you some of the key features of our dinette. Double extension. So our dinette table not only extends once, but then has a second extension with a leaf. And notice this leaf is not a finger pincher. It's nicely placed, all hardwood. Now look at, you've almost doubled the size of this table. The other great feature is actually a feature called Chair Buddy. A lot of people miss it because it's located actually beneath the dinette. We have a large hinged handle. When you pull it upright, slide the chair underneath, let go, it puts downward pressure to keep the chairs where they need to be for transportation. One of the great features here in the front living room 3760 and 3761 model is this extra tall slide out. This thing measures from floor to top edge 89 inches. The benefit of that is giving you all of this additional storage in this area you would normally not find in most floor plans. Now this door right here, to most customers you would think would be a pantry. But when you open it up, you have a convenient half bath located here, so that when you have guests that utilize those two great large sofas in the front of your living room, they don't have to use your bathroom that's in the rear of the coach. One of the unique features in the bedroom of our front living room is how we've incorporated this residential closet. You'll notice the closet gives you the feel and space that you would normally find in your home. Now the reason that's unique is because most floor plans that we compete directly with this floor plan has broken up storage. There's cupboards here, there's cupboards there. None of those floor plans have this full residential closet. And the added benefit of the closet, the way that we've constructed is, it allows you to actually do a full stackable washer dryer without losing all of your storage in your closet. Yes, it takes up about half, but it still gives you, again, that very residential, long hanging capacity. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were in here. This bathroom in this front living room floor plan is so large, it's amazing. I'm sitting here in our all fiberglass shower. Notice fiberglass, no plastic walls like some people use. And we've got this beautiful double vanity. And here's a very key feature that most people don't recognize. And it seems simple, but this cabinet. Why is it important? You'll see a lot of other competitors, they'll actually just remove the cabinet, they'll slap a mirror up against the wall. So I feel we've got the best bathroom in a front living room floor plan. We hope you love the features that we just highlighted on the Montana 3760 and 3761 FL front living room floor plan. For any other questions you may have or information that you need, please see us at KeystoneRV.com.